From the Delhi studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 10, powered by Kentaro, Nourish and Kurlon Mattress.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to The Debate. Politically, I find what's happening in terms of the Aam Aadmi Party's increasing its presence demographically and geographically, and the Trinamool's expanding its presence very interesting, because there are two very different strategies here. Both parties are targeting basically the same space which once used to be of the Congress party's space, of the principal opposition party. Congress is eroding, but the space is being taken by the AAP. There are two different strategies though. The AAP is building ground up over a period of time, months and years. The Trinamool Congress on the other side is moving faster. It's like a single shot. The party goes to a state, takes over by getting senior leaders, many ex-congressmen to switch over and bring their base with them. Even so, despite the indications, not everyone expected what has happened in Shillong, in Meghalaya, where 12 out of the 17 Congress MLAs suddenly announced they are leaving the Congress and joining the Trinamool Congress. So the Congress doesn't erode there, it just evaporates and switches over. If this continues, will the 3A TMC completely take over the Congress space? What happens, what's left of the Vadra Congress? What will happen to them? Many questions with big impact in the run-up to 24. Let's debate.
Once believed to be close to Rahul Gandhi, former Chief Minister Mukul Sangma has been the face of Congress in Meghalaya.
Our association with Meghalaya, the Congress Party's association and my family's association with Meghalaya goes back many, many years.
Today, he has given a body blow to Congress by taking 11 MLAs with him into the TMC.
The strength of the nation is drawn from the strength of the states. Similarly, political parties also have to be like that.
But you are not getting that.
But this was not happening. No, this was not happening in the party.
If I have to ask you, what is the one big flaw of the Congress Party? Because let's be direct here. What's that one reason why?
Chalta hai attitude. Chalta hai attitude.
That has the biggest drawback.
Yes.
This silent coup in Meghalaya has changed the entire power equation in the state. Until Wednesday evening, there were 17 Congress MLAs. But by late night, 12 of these Congress MLAs led by Mukul Sangma had pledged support to the TMC. Thus bringing down Congress's number to 5 and making Trinamool Congress, a party that won absolutely no seats in 2018 elections, the principal opposition party.
कांग्रेस पार्टी को तोड़ने का ये साजिश सिर्फ मेघालय में नहीं, सारे उत्तर पूर्व राज्यों में हो रहे हैं। मैं तो सिर्फ यही कहूंगा ममता जी को, ठीक है कांग्रेस को तोड़े हैं आपने, बहुत बड़ी काम की है, लेकिन अभी भी वो जो एमएलए है उनकी जेब में कांग्रेस की सिंबल है, कांग्रेस की सिंबल लेके जीते हैं और आपका पार्टी में शामिल हो रहे हैं।
It's not just Meghalaya. In other states too, TMC is getting a toehold by breaking apart Congress. Whether it is Sushmita Dev in TMC, Luisino Falero in Goa, and the recent inductions of Kirti Azad and Ashok Tanwar. Is it a sign of soaring relations between Mamta and Sonia?
अगर हम तो किसी को नहीं बोला, लेकिन अगर हमारा पार्टी में कोई आते हैं, अगर कोई पार्टी छोड़ के भी आते हैं, ये उसको अपना का बात है। हम कोई पार्टी को जोड़ने तोड़ने का बात नहीं कर रहे, लेकिन कोई आदमी उसका अपना सिद्धांत है कि हम तृणमूल कांग्रेस में जाए, तृणमूल कांग्रेस अच्छा लड़ाई करते हैं देश के लिए, तो ये तो ठीक है।
TMC's ambitious plan makes it clear. For now, it's about TMC versus BJP. But TMC versus Congress signaling a takeover of the empty opposition space.
Shazia Elmi, national spokesperson BJP, Prafulla Ketkar, editor of the RSS magazine Organizer, Riju Datta, national spokesperson of the Trinamool Congress, Dr. Ashok Tawar, he was former state president of the Congress in Haryana and now has switched over to the Trinamool Congress and now is a leader of the TMC. And Kamru Chaudhary of the Congress party tonight. See, Kamru, look at people like Ashok Tawar. Look at what's happening in Meghalaya, right? If this continues like this, right, and everybody just leaves the Congress, everybody just leaves, okay? You can't keep abusing them and attacking them and criticizing them. You're going to have to think that your party has evaporated. Why? Why does nobody want to be in the Vadra Congress? Serious issue. Ask. It's an opportunity. You ask Ashok Tawar why. You ask Riju why. Let's have a discussion. You know what happened in Meghalaya, right?
National Congress.
Yeah.
Please correct yourself. Please correct yourself. It is Indian National Congress and not the other Congress that you have just stated. Please correct yourselves. Give respect to my party.
Okay, I will not correct myself. Now continue.
Because I represent an ideology, not a particular
no, I am not
political
correct.
party. Now the first point that you have raised here,
No,
why
I'll
is
tell you my perspective on this matter.
evaporating? Why is Congress evaporating?
No, I'll tell you. I'll respond to you. It was the Indian National Congress.
point
At
out
one
here
point, you
is-
renamed it the Congress I. No. Why you renamed it Congress I? Why did you call it Congress I? If it was the Indian National Congress, why did you name it after a leader?
Honestly, do you want to? No, on your debate, I am coming out here. Do you want to humiliate my party while I am sitting on your national debate, sir? I am very sorry. Please have respect for the oldest party that has sacrificed a lot for the nation. It has to be named. If I call the Bharatiya Jumla party, how will it like to a BJP supporter sitting on your panel? Or if I say that BJP and Trinamool, they are Bijamul party right now,
No, but
or some other party that is there in the national. You have to name. If I say Arnab Goswami,
Okay.
Arnab Goswami.
Okay, anyway,
I
let's
twist
go
your
back to
name
the
and
issue.
say
We'll
some
go
other
into
thing.
the
How will
we'll
you
go
say
into
it?
the mnemonics
Please,
and
honestly, this
semantics
is
and
not done.
phonetics at a later time.
Yeah, honestly,
Right now,
let's
again,
get
the
into
question
the
is
point,
what happened in
please.
Meghalaya? What happened in Meghalaya? You tell us. What happened?
Okay, Meghalaya, you are from the northeast. You know what's Meghalaya politics is all about. It's all about the three regions, the Khasi, Garo and the Jantia Hills. The politics of the Garo Hills, where P.S. Sangma once represented the constituency and he was the tallest leader of Meghalaya in the national politics. After that, when Agatha Sangma, she came into the political domain in Tura politics, Mukul Sangma was finding himself isolated in Meghalaya politics. Congress, he was the torchbearer of the Congress party in Meghalaya. Now, he failed to deliver in successive elections. When the Congress has suddenly put all his money in behind Vincent Pala, then the real problem started with Mukul Sangma. Mukul Sangma needed to deliver for the party. He was the torchbearer, he was the ex-chief minister of Meghalaya, and now he is coming after joining the Trinamool Congress and is saying that we need to have a very strong opposition. Who is the opposition in Meghalaya? Mr. Sangma, you are the opposition in the state. What did you do for the party? How did you fight the elections in the state? And now you come, you get everything from the Congress party, and then you come and
I
say
don't
that
understand.
okay, the Congress
I'll
party
tell you.
is a
I'll
weak
tell you one
party
thing.
now.
Okay.
I cannot
Okay.
believe that.
Okay.
The same
You
thing.
know one thing. Okay, Kamru. I'll get Kamru. You got your introductory remarks out there. I'll let Riju respond to you, but I'd make a request to you, please, if you don't mind. When you are coming on my program, which, as you know, has the best research, never come unprepared. You mentioned Purno Sangma. Okay? I was covering the Congress party 1999. I had the pleasure of interviewing Purno Sangma many times. You humiliated Purno Sangma. You expelled him. Let me remind you. In the summer of 99, you expelled him.
Yeah, he
you
was
threw him
expelled
out.
in 1999. He formed
Then
the
he formed the
political
national.
party,
No, 1
NPP.
minute. No,
He
you,
formed-
don't
he
take.
joined
Don't
the
hang by
NCP.
his coattails.
He joined the
No, he was a
Trinamool
great
Congress once upon a
man.
time.
He was a great man, a great speaker of this
No, no.
country, a charismatic politician, and loved by the people of Meghalaya and the Northeast. No, don't use his name. You had no space for a leader of his eminence in your party, and what is happening in 2021 is an extension of 1999. Talented mass leaders are leaving your party. Riju is and Riju's party is taking them over. What's your problem, Riju? No, I want to add. This is telling you what's happening in the Congress. 1 second.
He felt that okay, Trinamool Congress is distributing Rajya Sabha seats like this.
You've always treated. Okay, Riju is on the debate. What happened in Meghalaya?
I'll start off by saying something. You know what my chief minister said and my leader said. She said that I am ready to shed every drop of blood in my body for the unity of this country. Now, us Trinamool Congress, ideologically and politically, we are an anti-BJP party, and we have a single point agenda of ousting the BJP in 2024. Now, whoever wants to align with that vision is more than welcome in our party. First of all, on your show, I am meeting face to face Ashok Tanwar ji. Ashok ji, आपको बहुत स्वागत हमारे पार्टी में. धन्यवाद उसके लिए. And I just want to continue and say, Mr. Chaudhary was talking about Mr. Sangma. Mr. Sangma in 2013 single-handedly won Meghalaya without any coalition with the regional parties. How was he treated? When Congress puts a finger on TMC and says that we are taking their leaders, it's not that, sir. Then what happened to Amrinder Singh? What happened to Yoginder Dhingra? What happened to Hemant Biswa Sarma? What happened to Jatin Prasad? What happened to Jyotiraditya Scindia? You introspect.
Everyone
you
gone.
cannot keep your people together.
Everyone gone.
The country is looking. Is looking. I'm telling you. Let me please finish. The country is looking for a credible alternative. The best way to define a democracy is a healthy opposition, and in that Congress has completely failed because they have lost their mission and their vision. That is completely blurred, and that space is taken up by somebody who has beaten BJP in Bengal, thrashed them in Bengal, and beating BJP in other states. That is Mamata Banerjee and Trinamool Congress as the credible alternative. So these tall leaders of the Congress have understood that if they have to fight the battle to take BJP head on, there is only one name, that is Mamata Banerjee and Trinamool Congress, because they are inaccessible to the zamindars of Delhi. Because they are only swimming in the backwaters of Kerala, who has no clue of what is happening to their own leaders. You have to introspect. Don't point a finger at us. We are expanding. We are moving forward, and we will do that to take BJP.
Kaburu is responding,
because
please.
BJP is a huge party, and they have Narendra Modi as the leader. To take them on, we have Mamata Banerjee and Trinamool Congress. What are you doing? Please introspect.
No. You need an organization to expand pan India. ये जुजू दिखाकर जो राज्यसभा सीट का जुजू दिखाकर आप क्या वोटर को बेवकूफ बनाकर आप जीत लोगे वो राज्य को? What a nonsense ideological thought process that you have got. Rajya seats are meant for the states.
Please can I answer, Mr.
Going and
Goswami?
distributing Rajya Sabha seats like
Please can I
of ice
answer
cream.
this?
No, Rajya Sabha seats are meant for the states.
Please can I answer this?
Going around and
Please, I request you,
Rajya Sabha
Mr.
seats
Goswami. Please
with
can I
the
answer
media
this?
hype you feel.
Please can I quickly answer him, please?
No, the basic point out
Mr.
here
Goswami,
is,
can I please answer
Are
him
you
quickly?
luring people with
Arnab,
Rajya
just let
Sabha
me finish
seats?
in 10
No,
seconds,
respond
please.
clearly, yes
The
or no.
moment
Are you
Abhishek Banerjee-
luring state leaders with Rajya
Yes.
Sabha seats?
Can I give you an answer? Can I give you an answer?
Are you doing that, Riju?
I'll
Yes.
tell you.
Yes.
I'll tell you that.
Of course, it's
I'll
a
give you
fact,
the
Arnab.
answer.
It's
See,
a fact.
the leaders who
Valerio,
have joined
Sushmita Dev.
have been
Now
three
Pawan
times.
Verma
Okay, I'll give you an example. Pawan Verma
very
joined.
great spokesperson,
Sushmita Dev
number
joined.
one from the
Okay,
Hindi
the
heartland.
leaders of Congress, Mr. Falero has joined. They have always been they have been chief ministers and three time MPs. What we will lure them with Rajya Sabhas? And thank God we still have Rajya
Okay,
Sabha seats.
Ashok
The way
Tawar.
Congress is going, they will not have any Rajya Sabha
the
seats.
moment
And
they
let me
join
tell you
in
what
the
our
next
strategy
few
is.
weeks, they will
That
At
is
one
also
point
true.
of time, you were directly contesting
That is
BJP on
also
200 seats. Now it is barely 30. And Trinamool Congress give respects to every regional parties. That is why we are not encroaching.
No.
into
I'll tell you.
Akhilesh
No.
Ji in UP or
I want.
Tejaswi Ji in Bihar. We
Don't
respect
get
our
me.
allies and our
Don't
friends.
get me talking about Rajya Sabha seats, Mr. Chaudhary. Mr. Chaudhary. Please don't get me talking about Rajya Sabha seats. Else I will be compelled to say that the honorable former Prime Minister of the Congress Party, Dr. Manmohan Singh was given a Rajya Sabha seat, and if I am not mistaken, had shown a residence address in the state of Assam in Guwahati. Was he from Guwahati?
Yeah,
Was he?
in
Did he have
Guwahati.
a
I know that
domicile
it's
in Guwahati?
and we
Did he
are
work in
proud of
Guwahati?
that. We have had the best Prime Minister.
No, that's not the point. I'm just saying
one
Rajya
thing,
Sabha
you
seats
tell
are
me
given
one thing.
all over in many ways for Congress Party also. My point is, point being.
Why after that he was
First of all,
also given
Ashok
a
Tawar.
seat from a different state also.
Ashok Tawar, Ashok Tawar, I want you to say openly, khulkar boliye. Ashok Tawar, I want you to tell people what were you lured with? Were you lured with everything? Anything? Was there any?
देखिए मैं
हाँ ये बोलिए जी बोलिए दूसरी बात मैं सवाल जरा आपके सामने रख लूं
मैं खुल के बोलूंगा
डॉक्टर तंवर मेरा सवाल ये है कि
नहीं सवाल मेरे
मैं सवाल पूछूं एक छोटा सवाल था सवाल मेरा ये है कि कोई पार्टी अगर प्रिंसिपल ऑपोजिशन पार्टी बन जाए किसी राज्य में बिना राज्य के चुनाव कंटेस्ट किए हुए यानी कि 2018 में है ना टीएमसी को कोई सीट नहीं मिले थे मेघालय में और अचानक अगर वो पार्टी प्रिंसिपल ऑपोजिशन पार्टी बन जाए तो क्या ये ग्रोथ सस्टेनेबल है क्या ये सही तरीका है ऑपोजिशन पार्टी या पॉलिटिक्स करने का जी
देखिए सबसे पहले तो मैं ये बताऊं जो सज्जन यहाँ पर बोल रहे हैं मैं नहीं जानता मैं 30 साल कांग्रेस में मैंने बिताए हैं पिछले 22 साल से ऑल इंडिया हमने पॉलिटिक्स करी है एनएसयूआई यूथ कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट से लेकर के सारी पोजीशंस पर रहे और वो ये कह रहे हैं कि हर आदमी लालची होता है हर आदमी खरीदा जा सकता है हर आदमी बिकाऊ है तो मैं पूरी तरीके से इसको सिरे से नकारता हूँ इस बात को आज लोग कांग्रेस पार्टी छोड़ क्यों रहे हैं ये बहुत बड़ा सवाल है और इसके ऊपर देश के जो तमाम लीडर हैं कांग्रेस के उनको भी सोचना चाहिए और ग्रास रूट के लोगों की भावना को समझना चाहिए कि आज सच्चाई ईमानदारी मेहनत की वहाँ पर कोई कदर नहीं है जो मेहनत करते हैं उनको वहाँ पर कुचला जाता है उनको फोर्स किया जाता है कांग्रेस छोड़ने के लिए चाहे वो ममता बनर्जी आज से 30 साल पहले हों अशोक तंवर जैसे लोग हों और तमाम इस तरीके से हजारों लाखों लोग हैं जो या तो छोड़ देते हैं या आत्मा मार करके वहाँ पर रहते हैं और उनसे पूछिए जा करके मैं तो नीचे से निकल करके आया हूँ मेरे कोई फोरफादर पॉलिटिकल बैकग्राउंड से नहीं थे आई एम फर्स्ट जनरेशन पॉलिटिशियन माय फादर वाज इन आर्मी आई एम फ्रॉम ए हम्बल बैकग्राउंड और ये कह करके कि राज्यसभा का लालच किसी को नहीं है आप जिस तरीके से काम कर रहे हैं आप ह्यूमिलेट कर रहे हैं लोग फील्ड में काम करते हैं 5-5 साल वो कांग्रेस को सींचने का काम करते हैं आपने खून पसीने मेहनत से अपने बच्चों के पेट काट करके आपकी पार्टी को खड़ा करते हैं और जिन लोगों ने लाखों करोड़ रुपए के घोटाले किए हजारों करोड़ रुपए के वो लोग ऐश करते हैं और लास्ट में आकर के 4 दिन पहले आप उनको पोजीशंस दे देते हो तो ये मॉडल अब चलेगा नहीं इस देश के अंदर और जहां तक बात मेघालय का है अगर कुछ लोग आना चाहते हैं उनको लगता है कि ममता दीदी की लीडरशिप में देश सुरक्षित हो सकता है वो महफूज हो सकते हैं और ये देश बच सकता है तो आप उनको नाम दे करके होस्ट ट्रेडिंग कोई कुछ बोल रहा है मैं तो पूरे देश में घूमता हूं
तंवर जी
छोड़ने के बाद पूरे देश में
तंवर जी कमरू चौधरी कुछ रिस्पॉन्ड करना चाहते हैं
आप बहुत सीनियर लीडर थे
आवाज बढ़ाइए
आप बहुत सीनियर लीडर हो अशोक जी आपको मैं सम्मान करते हुए कांग्रेस में रहते हुए आपको सम्मान नहीं मिला आप अध्यक्ष रहे हरियाणा राज्य के दूसरी बात आप ऐसा पार्टी में ज्वाइन किए हो जिसको हम सब जानते हैं दीदी भाई बो का पार्टी मतलब दीदी भतीजा का पार्टी उसमें आपको सम्मान का उम्मीद कर रहे हो आपको बहुत बहुत क्या बोलते हैं इसको मतलब ऑल द बेस्ट में बोलना चाहता हूँ कि आने वाले दिन में हम अशोक जी से फिर
हर पार्टी के
बहस करने
बिल्कुल बहस करेंगे आप सुनिए अब जो आपने कहा है आपने जवाब दिया है मेरा भी जवाब सुनिए जी आप बोलिए पहले
कम से कम हम विदेशी इंपोर्ट की पार्टी नहीं है
मैं ये बोल नहीं नहीं, मैं ये बोलना चाह रहा हूं, जब अभिषेक बनर्जी को ईडी ऑफिस पे बुलाया गया, अभिषेक बनर्जी को ईडी ऑफिस में बुलाया गया, उसी दिन में क्या एग्रीमेंट हुआ देश का जनता जानना चाह रही है कि भाई निकलने के बाद में वो शर्म हो गए कि कांग्रेस पार्टी को जो है कि अब दिमाग का जैसा हमको काटना है। अब ये सौदा, ये समझौता अब समझ में आ रहा है लोगों को।
कहीं जंप कर रहे गोवा में,
one
minute. Shazia and Prafulla, he's suggesting that the Trinamool is breaking the Congress on the BJP's instructions. You heard that? Suggestion is clear. I want Prafull to go first. Prafull, you heard that?
Yes.
Prafull,
Yes,
you heard that?
They often accuse of Owaisi.
They have lost it.
Okay, first Prafulla ji.
Yeah. Thank you. First of all the best to old friend Ashok Tawar from JNU days. I have been seeing him to fight for the NSUI cause from the ground. So all the best, Ashok ji, for the new innings. And now this particular argument and this entire episode suggests 3 points. First of all, the entire argument of opposition unity, is falling flat on your channel itself. So the one party, one family party is accusing other family party to be of Didi Baipo party is very amusing. Secondly, what has happened in the Northeast, it is much more than what we see by this shift by Mr. Sangma and the merging of Congress. Because remember, Meghalaya has been a very strong passion of Congress, irrespective of whatever happening, at the national level.
One of the last
Congress always kept hold on Meghalaya. So, and Mr. Sangma saying that we are not able to play a role as an effective opposition because of the national leadership in the Congress is clear indication that it's a failure of the national party. As far as TMC is concerned, TMC on the one hand is TMC as generally now spoken has taken the Congress Mukta Bharat message of BJP too seriously perhaps, but more than that, for TMC, they are on a already their national status is on a ventilator mode from 2019 because outside Bengal they don't have any presence, and they had given special request to the election commission that till 2024 we need please retain our national party status, otherwise they will not have allocation even in Delhi. So to retain that, this kind of functioning is going to be very effective. So please understand these 3 different points from what has happened in Meghalaya and what is happening on your channel right now.
But one second. Shazia, okay. So Shazia, what emerges here, let's stop discussing why the Congress is breaking. Let us say, Shazia, the Congress is breaking. So there are 2 issues we can discuss. Why is Congress breaking? I don't think we should waste much time discussing it because it does not have significance. A party is becoming less and less important. There's nothing much to discuss. That is their problem. The issue is Trinamool is growing stronger. See, Shazia, as a politician, you've got to be practical. A. B. Mamta Banerjee is a grassroots politician. She wants to build Trinamool fast. Maybe it's advice, maybe it's Prashant Kishore, maybe it's Abhishek Banerjee's plan, but they want to go national fast. And they are saying that Congress state units don't have faith in the central leadership of Rahul Gandhi, Robert Vadra and Priyanka Vadra. So it's a great chance for the Trinamool to quickly go, and Mamta has all the contacts. She's been a congressperson. She has all the contacts, and maybe the congresspersons are seeing in her someone who can lead them forward at a national level. No politician likes to be irrelevant. But in the process, question to Shazia, clearly tell Riju, tell Ashok Tawar, can the Trinamool challenge you nationally if they fill the space? Realistically, tell us.
No, well, I would...
No.
No, the fact of the matter is that it is a democracy and it's the right of every party to want to be a national party and grow from regional force, and which TMC has every right to do. What is rather interesting is, and this is something I've been saying on your channel so many times, when all of them were, cuddling up and there was this whole bond of camaraderie with Arvind Kejriwal and Mamta Di and Sonia Gandhi and what have you. At the end of it, this is what pans out every single time. You see, SP and BSP got together and now they don't want to go together. Congress and SP will still go together. That is also a question mark. It might not happen. Though it's not happening, in fact. It's not happening. And as for Prashant Kishore, I don't think
Congress is not relevant.
No,
Congress is not relevant. 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Shazia, 1 minute. Intervening. Shazia, intervention. Congress. No. 1 second. 1 second. Congress. No. 1 second. Congress is not relevant.
Ample examples. Wherever there's
My
Congress
question is,
and
will
BJP,
their strategy work?
No, but
will
see,
it dent you
state,
nationally?
Wherever there is Congress and BJP and another regional party, everybody has a right to try. But the fact of the matter is that Congress was the national party with that kind of organization and cadres. But now if Mamta Banerjee or Arvind Kejriwal
you know what, Shazia, let me question you there.
Because they have
Shazia, 1 minute.
They cannot.
Shazia, 1 minute. Shazia, 1 minute. Just 1 minute. No, just 1 minute. No, just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Okay. No, let me elaborate. Let me give you my reason, then you debate with me.
No. Whether it's RJD, whether it's SP,
which constituency?
Whether it's BSP, whether it's Aam Aadmi Party, whether it's Congress, there is a limited constituency. And whereas BJP has gone beyond the identity politics. So you see, they'll try and they'll cut each other's votes. There is no chance that BJP stands stronger. In fact, this proves how strong BJP is. This is a testimony. What you're witnessing right now is a testimony to the fact that there will never be any opposition unity.
But can I make my point? I toss it over to Riju. Just to give you a counter argument to that. No, just to give you a counter. Just to give you a counter argument. Just to give you a counter argument to that, you see, there's been no centrifugal force. You're dealing with the Vadra Congress, which is at about 50 seats approximately in 2 successive national elections, and its vote share is just sinking and going below 20%. It could go below 12%, 11%. So the party really, and that also very spread out vote. What you need in this country for competition to the BJP would have to be any party that can get 50 to 100 seats to start and which can have an amiable relationship with other parties. Now, I'm just saying, Shazia, think realistically, if Mamta does well in the Lok Sabha elections, right, which means she gets more than 30 seats in Bengal, okay? No, okay. So if she does well in Bengal, right, and then she gets together with a group of leaders, say 20, 30 other Lok Sabha seats outside, does she become a player? Does she become a player quickly? You're hoping that she won't be able to do it quickly. What if she moves quickly?
The fact is,
what happens? What if Ashok Tawar has a good entry in Haryana?
The question is...
What if Falero has a good entry?
But I'm asking
what if Sushmita Dev has a good entry in Tripura?
No, but you tell me something.
No, yeah, okay, go on.
But won't that be a triangular contest everywhere? Won't that be a triangular and a quadrangular contest everywhere?
If you look at it mathematically, yes, don't ask me. I'll ask. Okay, Riju, it will be a triangular contest.
Do you see the likes of SP and BSP?
I push it to her. I push it to Riju.
That of Lalu's
let Riju answer that.
Bowing to the
let Riju answer that.
of Mamta Banerjee.
Riju, I want Riju to answer that. Riju.
Okay. First of all, the thing is, yes. See, I have heard the BJP part, and I want to say that, if this argument would have been placed before on your channel, say a couple of months back, I would have taken it. But now it is quite evident the hubris is on its knees after the repeal of the farm laws. Now this party BJP, yes, it's a very strong party with more than 300 MPs, but they have hollowed themselves so much in gratifying one leader that if there is another face equally or bigger than the persona of Narendra Modi, the problem, the anti-BJP, the anti-incumbency against Modi will line up. And I am telling you, the regional parties like the Samajwadi Party or Tejaswi Ji's party or the Southern Indian parties, they have a common agenda. They are fighting their own battle. And at the end of the day, If they all come together, you will see the enough number of MPs are there to oust BJP from the center. It is only 2021 November we are talking, and the way Trinamool Congress is growing, anything can happen in 24 hours. 2024 is 3 years away. Ashok Tanwarji has joined in Haryana. How easy it is? How easy it is to turn Haryana? Haryana is not even in the remote vicinity of BJP. नहीं हरियाणा तो बीजेपी के हाथ से बाहर है after the farm laws. How long will it take for Ashok Tanwarji to take Haryana from Congress and it becomes TMC?
So you think Mamata has a better chance there than Congress does?
And in terms of perception and optics,
no. So if there is TMC in Haryana, tell me. Okay, Rijiju, I have a question from you. I have a question. Listen, Aam Aadmi Party.
एक मिनट अशोक तंवर सवाल आपसे ये है अशोक तंवर मेरा सवाल है एक मिनट अशोक तंवर सवाल आपसे सीधा सवाल है। आपने नेशनल पॉलिटिक्स की है, आप छात्र लीडर रह चुके हैं, 30 साल का अपना अनुभव है, आपके बारे में प्रफुल्ल केतकर ने जो कहा उससे संभवतः लोग समझ चुके हैं कि in fact I think it's good that there is this kind of respect being shown to political parties across the board. सवाल आपसे ये है, राष्ट्रीय पॉलिटिक्स कर चुके हैं और करते आए हैं राष्ट्रीय पार्टी के साथ, अशोक तंवर बोला जा रहा है, बीजेपी बोल रही है नहीं तृणमूल बंगाल की पार्टी है और कुछ भी करे बंगाल की पार्टी रहेगी, राष्ट्रीय पार्टी नहीं रह सकती। तो अशोक तंवर अगर हरियाणा में तृणमूल का झंडा लहराने की कोशिश करेंगे तो क्या हरियाणा के लोग बोलेंगे कि यह पार्टी एक्सेप्टेबल है हरियाणा में? क्योंकि अशोक तंवर ने ज्वाइन कर ली, उसके बाद क्या एक्सेप्टेबिलिटी बढ़ जाएगी? क्या आपको रीजनल पार्टी की ओर से देखा जाएगा या राष्ट्रीय पार्टी की ओर से, कि किस तरह से लोग आपको देखेंगे?
देखिए, मैं पिछले 2 साल से ज़्यादा मुझे कांग्रेस छोड़े हो गए और इन 2 सालों में मैंने पूरा देश भी घूमा, हरियाणा भी घूमा। और आपको याद होगा जिस समय महाराष्ट्र और हरियाणा के चुनाव के नतीजे आने वाले थे, आपने एग्जिट पोल किया था, उस दिन मैं आपके चैनल पे था और मैंने इकलौता मैं था जिसने ये कहा था कि हरियाणा के अंदर हंग असेंबली आएगी, और वो हंग असेंबली आई थी। सरकार बाद में मिलके भारतीय जनता पार्टी जेजेपी की बनी, वो अलग बात है, लेकिन कांग्रेस ने वहाँ भी सरकार नहीं बनाना चाहिए थी। अगर कांग्रेस सरकार बनाना चाहती तो वो उस समय कांग्रेस बनाना कहाँ चाहती है? आइदर दे आर सरेंडर्ड और दे आर, आई डोंट नो।
मेरा सवाल है कि कैन द तृणमूल बी अ नेशनल पार्टी
इन वेरियस स्टेट, बी इट रीजनल पार्टी और बी इट द नेशनल पार्टी? तो जहां तक मामला हरियाणा का है,
no, the question is Ashok Tanwar about the perception of Trinamool as a party from West Bengal or a national party.
Perception of the
question is about perception.
No, perception of the Trinamool is perception, and the reality will be that Trinamool will form government in Haryana, and in next few months Trinamool will have pan-India presence, and especially after these 5 states, Mamata Didi will be the only visible alternate in the country's politics who can challenge the ruling dispensation. I am confident, and people like me, those who are those who came up in the political spectrum through
now there are no one second.
So Shazia, see, you know, I mean, it's a
Shazia, see,
the world is full of possibilities. You know, nobody can dismiss any possibility from happening. After all, it's BJP from 2 to 3 or 3.
One second. You know, Shazia, sometimes a party, no, see, Shazia, your party benefited when a leader of the ability and experience and you know, of Himanta Biswa Sharma joined the BJP. Right, Riju? You may like him, not like him, you may disagree with him, you may call him names, but nobody, even Riju Datta, will not say that Himanta Biswa Sharma is not a capable man. And therefore, what happened is a party like the BJP, which was not able to become very big in Assam, overnight is not big in Assam but across the northeast. So it shows that a leader makes a difference. Now suppose Ashok Tanwar comes in Haryana. What Mamata Banerjee is saying is that I have a party in which leaders of a good, you know, young leaders with some mass experience can become regional chiefs, right? And she does not maybe have the insecurity of
you know why? Because
the
you're seeing
Vadra
it from
family,
the cadre's point of
where
view.
only, you know.
No, because there are two
Cadre?
ways of looking at it.
No,
Which
we
point
have
of
the
view am I
cadre,
saying?
we
Yeah,
will
I agree
build
with
the
what you're
cadre.
saying.
How?
So, Arnab,
We will
you're
work
looking at
hard,
it from the
not
leader's
only in
point of view,
Haryana,
from the cadre's
across
point of
North
view, and from the
India,
ranks.
across country,
No,
we
I
will
want to
work
say
hard.
something. No, I want to say something. Excuse me. I want to say something here. I just want to say something here. But if you see from the voters' point of view, now when you look, everything changes. There are 2 points of view. One is from leaders from different parties and where they go. So obviously they say opposite BJP, who's a leader, Rahul Gandhi is clearly not making the cut, and it's time to move on. And they see greener pastures, no pun intended, and they move to TMC. Fine, it's all fair. But if you see from the voters' point of view, from the people who are actually voting and who are not cadres, who are not position bearers or office bearers or disgruntled or unhappy for genuine reasons,
how do they
whatever
see?
they might be, if you see from their point of view, there is something BJP stands for. And there is on all these parties, if you see the basic, when they talk about ideology, they all feel they cater to a kind of a constituency. So you see in Punjab, now Mamta is making has wants a presence there. AAP already has a presence there. In Haryana, they both are competing. So that is what's and BSP already has a presence there.
No,
of
but
course,
the
they have a
question
SAD
is-
in Punjab and not in
Riju,
Haryana.
Riju, the question
so
is-
how do the
Riju,
various regional parties get together?
Riju, much depends.
I want to ask Mr.
Much
Tawar
depends.
this. Will everybody
Much depends.
accept? Will Akhilesh Yadav?
I can't hear you, Mr. Goswami.
So is there a clear alternative? Is it Modi ji versus and all the parties are together on this? As we saw them on the stage during the Chhappi Pappis, is the question. I mean, whether it's Akhilesh or it's Mayawati or it's Shiromani
No, you are
Akali
going
Dal,
back
or
to
it's
the issue of
RJD,
opposition unity.
Or it's the likes
No,
of
you
Owaisi,
are going
whatever
back
was
to the
their
issue of
command.
opposition unity. No, there's a difference. No.
I'm
You are
saying from
shifting
both-
focus and
I'm
making it
saying
an
from
issue of
both points of
opposition
view.
unity to which.
From the voters' point of view.
No, I'm the way. What I'm asking is that I think the
Can I come
first
in?
challenge
Can
for
I
the
come in,
Trinamool
please?
is to be accepted as a national alternative, not an
See, in
alternative in
Delhi,
Bengal.
what happened? Congress,
or
Congress
from
folded
Bengal
up
or
because
principally of Bengal.
Kejriwal gobbled it up, right? Congress. Yeah, but that
Let
means that
Riju take that.
tantamounts
Riju.
to Mamta Banerjee, then just like Arvind Kejriwal gobbled up Congress in Delhi. Do you see Mamta Banerjee gobbling up all other
Are you
regional
done now? Are
parties
you
in
done now,
various
madam?
states
Can I speak,
and
please?
becoming then the
Yeah,
national
she's
party?
gobbling.
Can you?
Okay, last
done
response,
now?
Riju.
Can I speak now, please? Yes.
Sure,
The
sure,
bottom
sir.
line is this.
By all means.
There is an anti-incumbency against the BJP and Narendra Modi ji. After COVID mismanagement, after farm laws and people losing their lives, after GST, after inflation, after unemployment, there's a huge anti-incumbency. Now, these voters that Ms. Ilmi was talking about, these voters, these general people, the masses are fed up. They want a change. Who will they rally for? The grand old party has folded. So now the actual bottom line is Trinamool Congress is the actual Congress and the only credible alternative to BJP in this country. And the voters and the tallest leaders of the opposition parties in this country will rally with Mamata Banerjee and Trinamool Congress to take BJP head on. And that is the reality, and that is what you are going to see till 2024.
One thing I'd say. One thing I'd say. Okay, now let's say one thing. Trinamool at this point does not lack strategy. It does not lack ambition. And these are interesting ingredients. My own view is the big challenge for the Trinamool Congress will be on whether it can reposition itself as a national party. So getting people like Ashok Tawar and Mukul Sangma is important because these are mass leaders. The challenge will be for leaders like Mukul Sangma and Ashok Tawar to then tell the people of Meghalaya and tell the people of Haryana that Trinamool is a national party. But maybe they'll be able to do that. Let's see. It's very interesting times ahead, let me tell you. Very interesting times. I'll have to close it there. Ladies and gentlemen,